Oh, this is fast. I feel like we're gonna speed up. I feel like we're fast already. I just feel like we're speeding up. I just thought we was gonna speed up.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Could you send that to me on Pingo?
I'll put it on YouTube. And just look at it on YouTube. Do you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Scotty?
What?
Are you subscribing to my YouTube channel?
I said waterfall that it could go on.
Where, honey?
Right there.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that. Daddy loves those. I see it.
A waterfall that
Like
you
the
could go.
waterfall thing,
See
the log thing in the back.
I see
That's
a
the
ladder
first
that you
wheel.
could go climb on. I see
Look
a
at
ladder.
that.
See that ladder?
Yeah, I do. Wow. Just gotta sit back a little bit. Wow, that is a big roller coaster. Look how it goes from one side to the other.
That's it over there.
Sergio, sit back. Sit back.
Oh, I remember this is just like a roller coaster. I think it's just slow roller coaster.
What, this?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a slow roller coaster.
That goes up a hill and down.
This is really relaxing though. I wonder if you could do it at nighttime. That'd be cool.
Yeah. And also spooky.
Spookier? Oh, what they do is for Halloween. They have little ghosts come out.
Actually,
Would you guys be scared?
and actually, if they do it at night, if they do it Kyle over there.
What is it?
Yeah, I want
I
that.
see it. Hey, Sergio, I want you to look
that
back.
pool.
Oh, the pool?
Oh, yeah, that's where the bumper cars are. The pool.
Yeah.
I want to go there.
All right, we're going back over the street.
Now we made our own map, right?
Yeah. Now we have a mental map of the entire park. We put it onto our mental database.
Now we need to go ahead. Now we know which way the bumper car is. Ah, this is spooky.
Spooky?
When you go across the street, that's spooky.
Yeah.
But if they do it at night, it's dark, so it's really spooky. For Halloween, if it's night, and it's dark, they might...
Say hi, Sergio.
Hi.
Sit back a little bit.
I didn't hear nobody say hi to me.
Yeah, I said hi to you, silly butt.
I didn't hear them.
No?
You did.
You want Daddy to go hop on that motorcycle from here?
Yeah.
It'd be like Batman.
Yeah.
Batman. No laughing. You can't laugh on this thing. Say hi, cars.
Hi.
Scott, make sure your back shoulders to the seat, though, please. Look at this freaking cart over here. With all the, what is that? It's like it's a garbage car that they dressed it up or something.
Is she? Bumper car. She's a bumper car.
I think this is the longest sky drive I ever did.
Oh yeah, I see a bumper car.
Yeah, they're right there, right?
Yeah, see, that's what we went on. That's the bumper car.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go jump on my bike now.
Okay, jump on it.
Hold on. Which one should I take?
You can take the black one.
Black one? Yeah, I like that black one too. Looks pretty cool. Do it. You think I can land on it? All right. See you guys later. Pine Swamp in Knoebels Parkway. We just got off the Whipper here a few minutes ago. Well, I survived the sky drive without dropping my phone. I guess that's a good sign. Oh, water bumper cars. All right, guys, we're getting off.